They say some of our sisters where they go for inside the Libya. They say they don't cry, oh, come outside. They can't talk say, may Nigeria can't help them, oh, because as it be like this, he don't read for that area. As that one they happen, they say that Funani herdsmen no where they carry cow, they work everywhere. Don't carry cow, enter inside person farm. Chop the cow, can't chop everything where they inside the farm. Now the owner come outside, they can't talk. Kuro for this video. Now the guy they tell and say he go buy am for inside the own farm. Oh, my people, things are happening. I'm going to play you the video. May you know the Nigeria where would they inside. However, welcome back to Balabas GC. Here I will bring you information of how it did happen for the area. As it be like this, so share this video and make sure say they follow this channel for more updates. My wonderful people, let's jump inside the matter and go know what they go on for inside that area. They say that some of our sister we run go Libya. I don't know who tell them say if you go there go make money. And they do this video to tell you where they for Nigeria, whether they tell you once you carry you go Libya, once you go Madagascar, once you go Agadez, once you go this sea, don't go Obodo Oyibo, you go make amo. I want you to watch this video. Share this video to give to that your stubborn sister where they suspect if you run anytime. This video now for am, share am. You need to watch this video. So I'm going to play the video now. May you see how they take there for that area, whether they call people now, may they can't help them. My people, now so you be for most of now with the Nigeria, where they find where you go. Hey, women, listen to me. You see this life, you know they to only one will get to live. Look for something and learn. Look for work to do. Because now all those pium now go carry you. All those runs so now go carry you reach here. Now all those connection hook up now go carry you reach here. If you no look for something to do as a woman, you go see your self for this kind of place. I'm going to show you the next video. May you see what they happen for inside Nigeria, where the owner are telling Funani herdsmen say make him live in farm oh, where he cultivate so many things. The guy they tell and say if he talk, he go buy for inside his own farm. Watch this video.
Kai, why when I carry this cow, can't they enter my farm like this? Eh? You know, see, okay, see this. You know, say I am we plant here. Eh? See the leg. Now I am there inside here. Kai haba, zomana. Eh? Okay, this leaf. See. This is a vegetable. Eh? Why when I carry the worker here? Hey. You dey crazy? Call your brother. Call that your brother. Hey, this is what I do. How you breathe on an eye? Eh? Look at it. No the leaf. No go go in na kulala. Na eji kulala ke fi no na atasi. Eh? Ma this in Calafia. My potato. So you, I dey call you, they run. So you know we say sorry. Why I know will snap you? Eh? So you know we say sorry. Why you go carry my?
Why go snap me now like this?
Eh?
Why they snap
So
me?
you know we say sorry.
So I say sorry. Why go snap me now?
I hear I say it. But your brother,
So why go snap me? I don't like it now.
You don't know me.
If I don't
You
know you,
don't know me for that place. Eh?
Why they snap me like this now? I go run for you. No. Come on, back. If
Why you don't
snap
say
me
sorry?
like this,
Eh? I know the part. Wait. Why you
come on, dear back. I won't give you the phone. I got to cut you like this. Thunder fire you. Come on, dear back. I'm not going to
give
give
me
you.
my phone?
I don't give you.
Huh?
I got to cut you.
Eh? You can't have this.
Yes, now. Thunder fire your mother.
You give me my phone.
Thunder fire your mother. I'm not going to give you.
No phone.
Come on, dear back. What is enough for me? The family. Mind yourself, boy. Mind yourself. Thunder fire yourself. Me I go pick cut your name.
Okay, you want?
Thunder, fire and water. What does snapping mean now? What is snapping? You don't know me. Yeah? You don't know me. What is it? Mind yourself. Mind yourself.
You say sorry. So you don't go say sorry.
Thunder, fire and water.
So you don't go say
Yeah.
sorry for me.
See, one day with the one day I go pick key for this number. Thunder, fire and water. I don't give you the phone. This is why I go do. Go and do it. Me I go pick you now.
I know that
The case. It's a case.
Yeah, my wonderful people. So you watch the area that the phone got blind, you can't see anything again. It's the time the Fulani are trying to take the phone from the owner. So most of you people will come up. This video, I know why I'm bringing this video to show you, because recently there is a video circulating in social media where some Fulanis, they are now in social media, they are now in what are they calling it, in TikTok, saying that the Igbos are killing their calves, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Look at what the people are also doing to people's farm. And when the people talk, this is your reaction to the people. So tell me why the people will not fight back. If you people say that you leave the whole crops in the north and come to east to destroy their own crop. So my people, I want on Africa or on Nobla Muraya Kazo. Share this video as see the red.